Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm finding yogurt.
I am fine, thank you. Ask me a question.
Is a jaguar as fast as it, a gazelle?
Okay, ask me a question number 2.
Which which food is delicious? The most delicious.
Which clothing is the least expensive?
The the hat is the less expensive.
Least expensive.
Less expensive.
Is the gazelle less graceful than the skunk?
No, no, it isn't.
Tell me about the gazelle.
The gazelle is the most graceful.
Okay, please.
Australia is the smallest continent, but it is the biggest island in the world. Many people live on the coast. Australians like surfing and going to the beach. They sometimes call their country Oz. There are lots of special animals in Australia. Kangaroos can jump up to 15 feet. Koalas live in trees. The emu is a very big bird. It runs very fast. There are crocodiles and snakes too. They are dangerous.
Thank you.